Okay, I gotta do a recap on the OMEX video that I did yesterday. I did not expect a dead cat bounce like this. If you look at my recent YouTube videos, I said this is the best dead cat bounce candidate. I discussed why. And the main reason why is because we're well below the ATR4, this custom indicator that I have customized to be if we ever penetrate through it and we go below it, it's extremely oversold. And usually what you have is a dead cat bounce scenario. Where are your price targets? Well, they're always going to be your EMA 5, 10, and 20, which is the purple, the 5, the 10 is the yellow, and the blue is the 20. I don't expect the blue getting hit very soon. Usually what happens is it takes time. And it takes, because what is happening is here, the bulls or bears going to fight this out, right? A lot of people, when they get money, they're going to sell it, and then they're going to want, to get lower, and they're going to sell it. So, it's just a constant battle. And what happens is when you see these big red candles down, it's hard to, you won't see oftentimes a big green candle that just goes right back up. It's super rare. But for OMEX, this is a solid gain. Anybody that is, if you're like kind of worried, definitely take the gain on this. This went from a low of 45 cents to a high of, around 180. That is a 308% gain. Some, I get this. I see some people saying, when is OMEX gonna moon? And I'm looking at it, I'm like, are you? I mean, 300%, 308% from the lows. If you just say you got it at 50 cents or 60 cents and all that. I mean, this is a beautiful area. I always tell my people, anything past the 10 to 20% mark is a cherry on top of the ice cream. If you're up 10 to 20%, scale some out. And then the more you go up, put that trailing stop loss as it goes. And as more as it goes up, you just keep scaling and scaling and scaling until you're like, let's say, you have 10% left of your position. You're like, I'll just ride this out till it hits my trail stop. And that's basically how you get the final move, right? And because what if this thing just comes tumbling down and goes back to this ATR4? You're going to be super pissed about yourself. You're going to be like, what the heck? I did not take 80%. I did not take 50, 30, 20, and all that. And then what happens is that it works on your mind. You're like, well, I was up 100%, so I'm just going to wait till that goes back there. And then it goes down to, you're down 50, and then you're down 30, and then it's a cycle of depression. So, what you want to see is what I truly think, and a lot of the stuff I've seen before, these big move downs. Example was EJH. This was your dead cat bounce. And now they don't always have to happen the next day afterwards. So we had this big move down, and then we had this move down here, but then you had this dead cat bounce making you pretty decent returns. And this is kind of what I suspected from OMEX. But I suspected a little more larger return. This was a 66%. OMEX gave us a 300% move. So this is definitely good. Now people might ask, well, is there juice left in it? Absolutely. The EMA 5 is still your target. And when I was researching some of the stuff on this, I truly believe the algos got this one wrong. Chapter 11, this is not going bankrupt in my opinion. But you can see how it is. You can read up on it. You can see, you read what other people think about it and all that. But yeah, but I mean, it's more just like, always trade with what you're willing to lose, and don't let a green trade go red. That's the main thing here. But I made a video about this yesterday when this thing was literally at 45, or not 45. It was at 50-cent area. I was like, this is the best dead cat bounce candidate, and you can see why. We're so clearly oversold. And the funny thing is, people don't want it. I've seen some people get this at 180, 160, 150, or even 140 right now, and it's down 15% after hours. It's at 1.19, but nobody wanted it when it was way down here. So it's really interesting to my psychology when I'm looking at this system. I'm like, holy crap, man! This is extreme. But then when it does its dead cat bounce, that's what lures everyone in. And that was the same thing with WTO. It did that dead cat bounce. It lured everyone in just for it to come tumbling down. So I am kind of worried about that. Obviously this was not clearly at the ATR4 like the one we're looking at right now. OMEX is clearly penetrating it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My analysis is short-term EMA 5 target. I don't suspect it getting hit. probably within a week's time frame or even 10 days. As I seen that pattern, what happens is this is going to come tumbling down that EMA 5, and these are going to fluctuate. So yes, the EMA 5 might be at $2.64, but next week it might be at, let's say, a dollar or 80 cents. So, obviously the faster it hits us, the better, but keep in mind, it doesn't have to hit it right away. Anything that don't touch it in 7 daily candles is long. If you guys want to learn more about my system, learn more about how do I trade, learn how I do my day trades, my swing trades, and everything, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. I have an over 95% win ratio doing the swings and day trades. It's been absolutely fire. It's been awesome. It's been wonderful. And I'm willing to show you guys how a consistent strategy works. Within trading, you have to be extremely boring. Unless it checks off A, B, C, and D, I'm only taking the trade. A lot of people, will go in and take the trade and just be like, it's close enough. I'll take it. But I'm here to keep you guys accountable. When you click that link below, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe. I have, if you're using an Android, you will have to subscribe on your computer, your phone's browser. Avoid scammers. I'll never message or DM you first. You can read the testimonies. A lot of people love it. Hit the server shop in the top left, and you'll see the 2 memberships I offer, or you can just hit day trade alerts over here, and it'll take you right to the highest value server. But I definitely recommend doing Day and Swing Trading Plus. It is $12 a month, and it'll give you access to all my memberships, swing trades, and day trades. I am more active in day trading, and as rightfully so, you're paying more for it. I'm going to be more active in it, and it's my bread and butter, because a lot of the times is, for swing trading, you cannot make money every day. Sometimes you got to hold longer, and what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to conform my swing trading into higher value companies that you can hold overnight without getting like delistment or dilution, offerings and all that. So I love the swing trading strat. It's very nice. You can put big money in it, but like I said, if you want to make money every day, you got to join the day trading, and it actually is my highest value service with my best wins and losses. Swing Trading Plus. So Day and Swing Trading Plus, you'll get access to my day trading education. You'll get my swing trade alerts too, swing trading education. Definitely join the live stream. I do go live every day. The link will be in the YouTube description if you just want to get a little feel how I trade. I'll be on Twitch. You can hit the follow and hit the bell to get notified when I go live. I think you guys are going to really like this. This is just and this is how this analysis works repeatedly. Repeatedly after repeatedly, I'll say stocks like this, and when I see this, once in a blue moon, you'll get a rare opportunity like OMEX, and it just comes tumbling up. Lots of volume today. It had 325 million volume. Usually what happens is after that dead cat bounce, a lot of times, it decreases tremendously. So I would be extremely careful buying it way up in this area. If I did look for a swing trade, like I said, it's got to be at the ATR4, and I like to use time distance, so it has to be out here if I was going to do the swing trade. This is a perfect day trading stock. Very nice volume. It was just absolutely awesome. So I just want to say congrats who made money. If you guys want to join the Discord, we have a nice community. A lot of people called this trade out before I even saw it, and so I was like, wow, that is a good dead cat bounce. And you can check my last video. You can see why I thought it was good before the move happened. Because a lot of people will be like getting into this thing when the move is already happening. Well, it's too late already. This thing went up 300%. I repeat, this thing went up a total of, 315%. That is massive. And people are saying, when is this going to moon? I'm like, are you kidding me? That is insane. All right, guys, definitely join the Discord. I'll give you guys my entries and exits straight to your phone. The day trading is very awesome. And I can even show you, though. Yeah, I record all my trades. Here is the day trading trades. Right here, from August 21st to September 17th, we have not had a loss yet after improvising this. They're 10 to 20% consistent wins. We're on like a 28 win streak. As you can see, results after results after results. I think you guys are going to really like this. Definitely join it. It's only $12 a month. One trade alone will probably give you like a 5 years worth of that. And it's a great community. All right, guys, for OMEX, I would just be cautious about it. And that's about it. Could it go up? Sure. Could it go down? I think absolutely. As I would love to get this ATR4 again. Or it just might just hit the EMA5. We'll see. All right, guys, take care. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like it, give it a like, subscribe, comment. And this channel is about finding the trades before they happen. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. All right, guys, I'll see you in the Discord. Peace out.